What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Good morning, guys. Good morning. What wanna say? How wanna do? Uno alright. Me hope and pray say each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And guys, I want jumping height right away. No, me not jumping height right away. Me I go do this thing what me normally do. I hope all of you is in good health and good strength. And guys, if you feel any pain at all, big or small, check the doctor, go to the doctor, call the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But don't worry yourself if you're broke and have the money. Somebody will come and help you. Guys, have you done your wellness check yet? If you haven't done your wellness check yet, go out and have just go check by your friends and family. Yeah, man, go out and check on them. Make sure them are right, because mental health crisis is not a joke. Guys, also, if you know anybody, man or woman, who is having domestic issues, domestic problems in their relationship that will cause damage to each and every one of them, try and talk to them. And guys, if you're in a relationship and there is problem in there, walk away. Please, me I beg you, man, just walk away now. Because you can get another lady, you know. You can get another woman, you can get another man. Just walk away, man. Walk away. Because sometimes losing someone in domestic violence have a lot to do problem for the kids them. So me I say, so just walk away. Walk away from trouble if you can. If you feel like you can't walk away, go and talk to somebody. Guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow your birthday, happy soon come birthday. If yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Guys, when you hear me I say my condolence to one of my subscribers, well, I have talked to the subscriber and I told the subscriber, because you know she's still going through that thing, so she haven't been watching any YouTube. So I told her that, because I can't reach out to her just to find out how she's doing and how she's coping. She says she's coping, she's, you know, hanging on in there. And when I tell her, hold on guys. When I told her that I have talked about it on the channel, and you guys send your condolence to her, she was very elated, happy, and she was very nice about it. And she said to tell you guys thank you very much, to just to say your condolence to her, not knowing her, don't even know her. She said to tell all of you thank you very much. And guys, that's how we have to live. We have to live, even though we don't know her, or you know, that's how we have to live. We have to look out for each other, because we only have each other. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I was lurking on TikTok yesterday and I saw a young man, and I stopped. And because of what I saw, I stopped. So I said, let me listen to what this young man have to say. And my viewers and subscribers, it wasn't nice what this young man have to say. And I believe that I want to share it with you, and I want to talk about something that I talked to a young lady about, and what the answer she gave to me. So guys, without further delay, we're not going to we're not going to stay along with this one. I'm going to make you listen to what this young man have to say. And then I'm going to let you listen to what another guy have to say within the same level of video, because we need these things, we need to talk about them. So watch this video, and then after the two videos, then we're going to talk. Right, guys? So stay tuned and go get the bag juice, the orange juice, the pineapple juice, and just drink some juice. Juice, not drink, juice.
HIV. Hold on, I'm gonna light my black and I'm gonna take. Okay, cause I ain't got all day, cause I got shit to do. Probably somebody's husband. But okay, so because I really don't give a shit. I don't give a fuck how nobody feel, because who gonna check me? So yeah, I mean, so my real name is Benjamin Williams. You can call me Benji or you can call me DNG because I've shit. I think I mean, I don't know who gave it to me, but it don't matter because I gave it out to everybody. And let me tell you how easy it is. Niggas and bitches, y'all are stupid. All y'all are real fucking dumb. Because all you gotta tell us a dumbass nigga and a stupid bitch is just, oh, yeah, I ain't got nothing. Now I don't like condoms, but I don't got nothing, or I'll pull out. I think I got way more men than I did women, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So niggas don't care. And I mean, shit, I straight told them, like, nah, I ain't, yeah, I'm positive, but I'm undetectable. Like, they be like, oh, okay, you don't even look sick, you don't even look, you dumb nigga. First of all, bitch, I don't believe in taking medicine. I don't believe in taking medicine. Because it is what it is. Somebody gave it to me, so I'm just going to get this shit out to everybody. And so many people are fucking dumb. All they be like, oh, you know, you don't look sick. I mean, sometimes I say I'm undetectable, sometimes I don't even bring it up. Because the conversation never comes up. So, when I be going out of town and shit, you know, hitting Atlanta, Detroit. I've been to, San Antonio. I ain't been in Houston. Well, like the outskirts of Houston. I've been up in the DMV area. North Carolina, South, like, nobody give a fuck. People, they see you, you get on the apps and all you want to be like, I want to fuck, they fuck. And half the time, I remember, I think one person told me, like, no, you gotta do, you take your medicine. Yeah, I take medicine. Fuck, and niggas still gonna do it. And bitches too, because bitches just as dumb as niggas. Bitches don't even give a fuck. They sitting there like, oh, girl, I'ma pull out, bitch. You know you can still get this shit, right? So, I'm just feeling honest today because I don't give a shit today. I don't care because what y'all gonna do? It's already happened. Duh. Okay, and the names is, the bitch I'm lying. I'm late for people who don't know me. I said that because if you felt some type of way, if you felt like that was fucked up, that was, oh my God, then you should realize just how easy it is for you to get it. Because all of us has never always been that careful. I've had HIV since June 7, 2023. And I said that, so if you felt something from that shit, if you felt like, oh my God, you a effed up person, let me tell you, thousands and thousands and thousands to millions of people end up getting HIV because of people like that and people who believe somebody just because they tell them they undetectable. Undetectable, let me tell you something, baby. Undetectable does not mean that you cannot get it if they're not taking their medicines. Undetectable, you equals you. So undetectable equals untransmittable. I'm having another issue with these doctors. I gotta find a different doctor because this asshole ain't giving me my medicine like she's supposed to. But I could be undetectable for years, get off my medicine, and then become detectable. And if I'm sitting here fucking my nigga, or you know what I'm saying, and we sitting here and getting it popping, and he be like, oh, nah, I know you good. So first of all, stop fucking raw. I don't care who you with. Stop fucking raw. Like, unless like you and this person is verified to each other and strictly monogamous, people be trying to sit and push this polyamorous shit, but I'm telling you, this is how you're gonna end up with HIV, trying to be like these fucking celebrities, because a lot of these celebrities are sick, allegedly, for entertainment purpose, which y'all know. So if you felt some type of way about that shit, bitch, maybe you need to go to the doctor, get a full panel from HIV, syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, herpes 1 and 2, and that trick off shit. You know what I'm saying? Because you need to make sure there are over 1 million people, I think, in 2024, 2020, got diagnosed with HIV.
But they don't know they are damaging their you know, guys that sleep around think that they are smart, but they don't know they are damaging their destiny. The more women you sleep with, the more your life reduces. The sperm of a man is spiritual. The sperm of a man is his wealth. The sperm of a man is his destiny. And if men understand this, they'll be disciplined with their prick. They'll be disciplined with their manhood. Your manhood is a machine that determines the success of your life. Sleeping with different women doesn't make you great. It doesn't make you fulfilled. It limits your lifespan, it scatters your success, it reduces your value, and it makes you empty spiritually. The attack of the enemy can hit you at any time because you are a shaft, because you are busy sleeping with different people. I know somebody will say to me, shut up, what about Solomon? Was Solomon not rich? Go and check his end. How did Solomon end? With all the wisdom, with all the knowledge, with all the wealth that he had. But because he had various women sleeping with, his destiny was messed up. Most men don't understand that you are bringing damage and calamity upon your destiny and the destiny of the children you give birth to by multiple sleeping with different women. Women are spirits. They are not just who you think they are. They are altars. These are people that are carriers of different spirits, and you are invoking your spirit into different kinds of things because of your lack of discipline. You have allowed your manhood to give you direction. May God help you this year. You better change. Zip up. Close your penis. Discipline your penis. And you see how your life will go forward. To whom brain is given, sense is expected. My name is Emmanuel Okose. Peace.
Now, guys, did you hear what this guy said out of his mouth? Sorry for the language and the words that was in there. There's no way I could minimize these words. But guys, to be honest with you, when I listen to this young man talk and what he said, he have done because he don't know who gave it to him. It hurt my heart. And why it hurt my heart is because a lot of young people and old people and big people out there living careless. A lot of people out there is living carelessness, living careless with their life because of what? What you don't know. One of the most powerful thing in life is that you don't know, because you cannot look at a person and know if that person is sick or not. And I'm going to say to you, don't wait until the doctor tell you that you're sick before you start to take precaution. Because that's the time you're going to take precaution. When the doctor tell you you are positive, that's the time you go be and cry. So have fun, enjoy life, enjoy yourself, but protect yourself and be careful. Guys, what I'm going to say to you now may sound very sad to you, because it was very sad when I hear this young lady say that. I happened to talk to a young lady yesterday about the same situation, the same HIV and the same situation about what's going on around the world now with STDs and HIV. And guys, when I talked to her and I asked her, I said to her, did you hear what is going on in the world now when it comes on to HIV and STD? She said to me, yes. And I said, okay, good. So you know you must think before you. My viewers and subscribers, this young lady said to me, that's the reason why when she go to their house, she check their cabinets. So I said to her, you check their cabinets? Why you check their cabinets? She says she checked their cabinets looking for pill bottles that say what is in the pill, what is in the bottle, and what's it for. Now, I look at her, guys, and I look at her and I says, are you serious with what you just said to me? People out there losing their life. People out there catching all kind of STDs, all kind of diseases. And you are telling me that when you go to a guy's house, you look in their drawers and all those things for pill bottles, for it to be saying HIV medicine or STD medicine. That's what your protection is. That's what your protection is. She didn't say a word. She looked at me like she's a deer looking in a light. Now, my viewers and subscribers, I say that to say this. Do not go to a man house or a woman house with the intention of finding a pill bottle that says, yes, I take HIV pill. Yes, I have STD. Don't do that. The time you're going to take to go to a man house to look to see if he have any HIV pill bottle or any STD pill bottle, you would sit down and ask yourself, what am I doing to my life when I just keep going to people's house with the intention of finding a bottle stating that they have HIV, stating that they have STDs? So ladies and gentlemen out there in this world, it's fun. It is fun. Don't ask me, I know. It is fun to be going around, ladies, girls. It is fun. Guys. Yeah, it is a lot of fun. You enjoy yourself, but there comes a time when you tell yourself that there's a time and a place. Enough is enough. Atlanta, Georgia have over 1 million cases. This guy tell you how much state he have gone to. He have gone to several states, over 12 states. He have gone to, and he said he deliver it in all those states. And the sad thing about it, he says he was with man and woman. So in other words, it's boys and girls. So in other words, he's bisexual. So if he's bisexual, he's good. And he says he have, and he said he give it to more male than female. So where you think those male went, or where those female went? To another person. And that other person may go to another person. That person may go to another person. So guys, you have to be very, very careful. In other words, is stick to, what is that word again? Stick to the evil that you know. And all you have to do nowadays is hope. You have to hope that evil only stick to you. Because guys, let's be honest. Let's be honest with ourselves. I can be very perfect. I can be the perfectest person on this earth. But is the partner perfect? The partner can be the perfect person. But are you perfect? Are you just going to work, come home, and be with one person? None of us know away from ourselves. Are you sitting down worrying about, should I go take a test? If you sitting down worrying right now, if you should take a test, go take that test. And if you go take that test and that test say negative, you need to change whatever you're doing. Guys, I'm sweating. I go have to turn on the air condition because I'm on the outside. By the way, guys, if you reach this far in the video, did you thumbs up the video? Did you thumbs it up? Yeah, man, like thumbs it up, like, share, and subscribe to it. And guys, remember the ads. Yeah, man, watch the ads them for me, because the ads is how you get paid on YouTube. But guys, this is no joke. This is reality 101. This is seriousness. This is something that we as people have to sit down and we have to talk about these things amongst each other. That's the reason why I'm making this video. Guys, I make a video one time and I was talking about the same HIV and the Junkertown people them write YouTube and do all kind of things, and YouTube take down the video. me tell you something, my viewers and subscribers. There's a lot of things going on out in the world. And guys, you all need to take heed. You all need to take heed and think. Because when a woman, when a young lady is going to say, when she go to man house, she check if they have any pill bottles in the cabinet that's saying HIV and saying STDs. That's just don't sit well with me. Because what if the guy have HIV, but he don't keep the bottles at his house? What if he move those pills from that bottle, throw away that bottle, and put those pills in a separate bottle and have them there taking them, and you don't know because it doesn't say, it doesn't mark on his forehead that he is HIV positive. It doesn't mark on his forehead stating that he's taking tablets. So are you going to risk your life? Are you going to risk your life because you didn't see a bottle that said that person is HIV positive? Is that what you are telling me? That does not make no sense whatsoever. No sense whatsoever that doesn't make. And I hope and pray that any of you out there who is watching this video is not thinking the same way or not doing the same. Because there is no way we're going to know who, where, when, and how it's going to catch anybody. But you can know how, where, and what not go catch you because you're looking out for yourself and protecting yourself. And guys, let me say this to you all. There's no way you can know if that thing is going to catch you because you can be at your house. Guys, let me reiterate on something here. Let me say something to you. Really serious. A friend of mine is upset up till today's date and of herself because when COVID, her mother was a sickly lady. When COVID, this young lady, leave her house Friday nights, go to underground club that they used to have meetings like club where music play in people's basement. So she would left her house and go to those parties, then go back home. One day she said she went to a party, one specific party. When she come home, she go in her house and she was in her house. Didn't know that she herself catch COVID. The only thing is it wasn't bad as many people have it. But what she did was she went in that house, which is her house, but her mother lived with her. And while her mother living with her, she's in the house walking up and down, doing everything, cooking for her mother, doing everything for her mother. Didn't know she have COVID. So guess what happened? Her mother catch the COVID from her. What did you think happened? Her mother passed away. Her mother died. She's upset with herself because she's the one who bring the COVID from outside, inside her house and give it to her mother. Because her mother did not go outside throughout COVID. But she's the one who catch the COVID, bring it in her house and make her mother lose her life. So she's going to have to live with that for the rest of her life. Because of that, she have to move out of the house that her mother got sick in and move into another house, into a different area, not the same area, because of what she caused on her mother and her family. So guys, what I'm saying to you is, do not think that it won't catch you. Do not think that it won't come home to you. It all depends on who you're dealing with. It all depends on who you're dealing with and who you are. So guys, what I'm trying to say to each and every one of you is protect yourself. Think about others. And not because somebody give it to you, you must go around and malake up the place and give it to a whole bunch of people. It's against the law. It's a crime. Knowing that you have it and knowing that you're giving it to people is a crime. You can go to prison for that. I'm telling you, I've been telling you a long time. So guys, what I'm saying is just take heed, listen to what I say, and just live the life you live, love the life you love. Guys, you don't know me, love or no, like how God love little children. And guys, remember, say, you need to check up on the youth, yeah, Craig. Yeah, Craig Williams, Tours, JA in Jamaica. Guys, I'm out. Bye-bye.